CK here with Roughhouse Sports and Cooking, and today I'm going to review and share my pictures and videos of 4th of July. I did 2 racks of pork ribs. This was the dry rub. I used a Pepper Palace 5-pepper rub. It had a little bit of spicy and tingleness in your lips when you ate it. The bark came out really good. The smoke ring came out really good. And overall, I think these were probably the second best hit of the barbecue. The second rack of ribs was in a mustard barbecue sauce that was wrapped in tin foil. Lowered the flames there. The bones literally fell off of the meat. Next, we have our Santa Maria style grill doing a tri-tip with white oak burning. It was a garlic, salt, and pepper rub. This came out good. It was just a little too charred for me. However, it was actually really good the second day or the day after the barbecue in a sandwich. Just letting you guys know. The bark here was a little more charred, like I said, but the inside, as you can see, was still red and very juicy and tender. Next, we have the veggies and shrimp skewers that were done on the grill, along with the kebab chicken that was marinated and came out pretty well. These are the marinated and grilled drumsticks. These are actually my favorite thing of the whole barbecue. They just came out good. They were easy to grab and eat. What more could I really want? These were the beefsteak tomatoes and mozzarella that my wife made, along with the lobster tails that we grilled up. It really came out to be kind of a surf and turf and fowl weekend. These are the misters I installed in my patio. You can kind of see it. I have misters spraying cool water down with the fan blowing them to help cool off the patio. With this segment, this is our activity before we did fireworks. We basically got together and did some throwing axes and had a small game of axe throwing, as we do at the Roughhouse Ranch.
It's a fastball. It's a fastball. What's that? What's that? He did. I think he said it. He did. I think he said it.
Whoa, move. Come on, you guilty fucker. And lastly, when it got dark, we lit off some of our fountains for the kids and adults to enjoy. And you know what? You can just watch for yourself, and I hope you like it. Oh, that's cool. Go through it. Hey, go through it.
You got through it. You got through it. You got through it.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa.
Go through it now. Go now.
Friendship fountain, yay!